Let's solve this jump question. If theta is greater than pi over 2 and is less than 2 pi, find the maximum value of a function of theta equals 4 over 6 plus 2 cos theta. All right, quickly, let me change this to degrees. To change from radian to degrees, you multiply by 180 over pi. So this will be pi over 2 times 180 over pi. This is 90 degrees. So, and then 2 pi times 180 over pi. This will give me 360 degrees. So, it means that the angles we are interested in must be greater than or must be less than or equal to 360 degrees or greater than or equal to 90 degrees. Now, this function f of theta is equals to 4 over, this is 6 plus 2 cos theta. If it's going to be maximum value, means that the gradient at the maximum value must be equals to 0. And how do I get the gradient? That means I need to differentiate this. So I'll call this u and then call this v. So our u is equals to 4. Then du dx is equals to 0. When you differentiate, the constant is 0. V is equals to 6 plus 2 cos theta. And then the v dx is equals to, differentiate the constant is 0. Differentiate this, it will give you minus 2 sine theta. Now differentiating a quotient rule is u dv minus v du all over v squared. And if this is at maximum point, this will be equals to 0. So let me differentiate this. So my u, what's my u? My u is 4 dv, what's my dv? Dv, u dv, 4, hold down a bit. Sorry, I think I made a mistake here. This should be v du minus u dv all over v squared is equals to 0. So what's my v? My v is the whole of this. 6 plus 2 cos theta is my v. My du is 0. Then minus my u is 4 into the v. Where's the v? I've differentiated, that's minus 2 sine theta all over my v squared is the whole of this. So open bracket, this is 6 plus 2 cos theta all squared. Now this part is 0, and then if you multiply this will give me 8 sine theta. So at maximum point, the gradient is 0. Therefore, my dy dx at that point is 0. If you multiply this will give me 8 sine theta all over 6 plus 2 cos theta squared is equals to 0 at maximum point. If you cross multiply, you have that 8 sine theta is equals to 0. Divide both side by 8, you still have that sine theta is equals to 0. Now, at what point in the quadrant is sine theta 0? At 90, at 0, at 180, and at 360. But we have a limit here. We are supposed to work from 90 to 360. So the possible values of theta, and here, the possible values of theta here are what? 180 and what? 360, because these are the values of sine theta here that will give me 0. Now we substitute these values here to see the one that will give us a maximum point. So f of 180 is equals to 4 over 6 plus 2 cos cos 180. Cos 180, first of all, cos 0 is 1, cos 180 is minus 1, because all the trig here are positive. Only sine is positive here, tangent is positive here, and then cosine is positive here. So here, which is 180, sine is negative 1. So if you substitute here, this will be 4 over 6 plus 2 into negative 1. This will give me, this is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4, so this will give me 1. So what of f of 360 degrees? That would be 4 over 6 plus 2 cos 360 degrees. And this is 4 all over 6 plus 2 cos 360 degrees is positive 1, because cos is both positive here and here. So positive 1, so that's 1. And this will give me 4 over 8, and that's half. Therefore, the maximum point is this one, greater than this. Therefore, maximum point is what? 1. So that's it. Thanks for being a part of the video.